We'll guide you through how to copy-paste the link in Excel. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because they often need to organize and share online resources inside spreadsheets efficiently. Copying and pasting links in Excel helps users create quick access to references, documents, or websites. To begin this tutorial, open Microsoft Excel on your computer or laptop and wait until the start screen fully loads before continuing. Once the application is ready, open a new workbook or an existing file where you want to paste the link. Make sure the correct worksheet is active so you are working in the right place. Then, prepare the link you want to copy from a browser or another document. Carefully highlight the full URL to ensure nothing is missed. After that, press Ctrl+C on your keyboard to copy the link. Now, return to your Excel worksheet. Click on the cell where you want to paste the link, then press Ctrl+V to paste it. Excel will automatically recognize the text as a clickable hyperlink. If needed, press Enter to confirm the input and make sure the link is properly inserted. Next, test the hyperlink by holding the Control key and clicking on the link. This will open the web page and confirm that the link is working correctly. If the link is not clickable, you can fix it manually. Simply right-click the cell, then select Link or Hyperlink from the menu. In the dialog box that appears, paste the URL into the address field and click OK to confirm. Now the link should function as expected. If you want to copy the same hyperlink to another cell, select the original cell that contains the link and press Ctrl+C again. Then click on the new destination cell and press Ctrl+V to paste it. Make sure the hyperlink text and its functionality remain the same after pasting. After that, review your worksheet carefully to ensure all links are working properly and are placed in the correct cells. Double-check each hyperlink to avoid errors or broken links. This step is important, especially if you are working with multiple references. Finally, save your Excel file after completing the process to ensure all your changes are stored safely and can be accessed later without any issues.